Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a weekly vlog, but I thought let me just start it today. It's Sunday morning. I am just heading out. We are going to meet my brother today. We're going to see some family. We've got a busy day ahead of us. But I got up really early this morning. I wanted to get the house tidy and clean for getting back on Sunday night because it's the first proper week of work coming up tomorrow when we're all back in the office and everything properly starts again. So I'm kind of dreading the early morning start tomorrow. We have to be on the train for 7:30, which is a struggle to say the least. So when I come back tonight, I just want everything to be clean, tidy. I've poofed up all the sofa cushions. That is one thing about getting a linen kind of feather filled sofa. You do have to put a lot of energy into making it look neat. It still doesn't even look that neat right now, but I guess it's part of the charm of it all. But yeah, I went round, I've done all my flipping up of the cushions. I've got my little flowers up here. Everything's looking very cute and tidy. And I just need to show you this tablecloth again, guys. I'm obsessed with this tablecloth. If you didn't see the previous vlog, this is from a company called Mon Pot, and I love it so much. This dining room is really coming together. Also, little update. Remember I said the other day I needed to go and return this coat. I went to the post office and it was closed, so I still need to do that. It's still on my list and it's still hanging over my head. We're about to get our shoes and coats on. We're gonna go for a coffee, so I'll probably film that. And then I will chat to you guys a bit later. Are you gonna go ice?
Oh yeah.
Can I have a flat white, please? Takeaway. We got our coffees. It is horribly wet today, but we're happy. We like being up and out on a Sunday morning early.
Yeah, we do.
Don't we? Matt doesn't so much.
No, we do.
We do, we do. And the bells are ringing.
Through with one of these.
Okay. All right, we gotta go. We made it. We're feeling very wet and windy. One of Matt's big New Year's resolutions, I think you've already heard from us, is that he's going to be learning to drive, and we are getting a car this year. The trains are so unreliable in this country. I hate to always bang on and hate on the train companies, but the trains are so unreliable. Although this train is only a few minutes delayed, which is good. We got to the barriers, and the barriers on the side that we needed to go through were not working. The ticket machines weren't working, so we had to buzz to get through. It was a big hassle. We ended up rushing. Then my ticket machine wasn't printing my tickets. It was a big faff. So let that be everyone's lesson. Arrive in way more time than you expect in this country. Also, there was a lovely American girl who was trying to get through the barriers, and there was just no one there. There was no one explaining to her how to use the ticket machine. She was like, can I use Apple Pay? Or and then she thought she had to tap the barrier on the other side as well. It was so confusing. There was nobody there to help. So obviously I stepped in. That was my good deed of the day. But yeah, I hate the train companies in the UK. It's hell. Good morning guys. It is Monday morning, the first day back officially in the office for the new year. I feel quite awake actually, considering it was the first early start in a long time. What's your check-in? How are you feeling?
I feel okay actually.
Good.
It's quite hot.
It does feel quite warm. Is the
here.
heating on a timer? It's definitely.
Yeah, but I've turned it off anyway.
Okay.
It's getting too hot.
Anyway, we are just packing up our things. We're about to head out the door and get the train. Fun times. I almost didn't go in today. I was thinking, when I woke up, I was like, I'm so tired. My alarm went off at 6:20. We also randomly woke up at 4 in the morning, which was quite annoying. But anyway, I've got my gym stuff. I'm thinking I'm going to go to the gym tonight, but don't hold me to that if I don't, because it could be a stressful day at work. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm going to just fill this up and then we're going to be on our way. Also, we started watching a movie last night. Not a movie. A TV show called Blackbird that we are obsessed with. It's on Apple TV. It's basically... It's really good, isn't it? It's basically this guy goes to prison for drug dealing and stuff like that, but some of the FBI want to put him in a cell or close to this maximum security prison where he can get the information on a serial killer and get like the details of where some of the bodies are buried, and it's really good. It's like really well done, great acting, great dialogue, love it, so good. So if you're looking for something, there you go, you've got one. Right, we're gonna head now. Bye. Home. I am absolutely freezing. I need to take my shoes off. I'm going to put some comfy clothes on. Today was the first day back, as I mentioned earlier, and actually let me just prop you up. It was the first day back and it's never as bad as you expect. So if someone watching has not been back in the office yet for the first day after the break, then don't dread it, because it is never as bad as you think. Everyone's just catching up on their own emails and like busy with their own stuff. It's not like an onslaught of, everyone else has had time off as well. It is literally just gone 7 o'clock and I'm just in the door. I'm gonna make us one of those tray bakes that I got from M&S the other day. This is what I wore to work, by the way, today. It was just like a plain M&S long sleeve ribbed jumper, and it's great for this time of year because it's not too hot that when I'm walking to the station I get really warm, but it's like long sleeves and comfy for work. I needed to get these out the oven. I needed to get these out the freezer as well, because we are going to be having one of those chicken tray bakes that I got literally like over the weekend. You would have seen, I think, in my previous video. And we're going to have it with these little potatoes. They are potatoes with red onion, garlic, rosemary, salt and black pepper, butter. So, sounds good. Let me just get all the lights and stuff on. I need to blow my nose. I'm literally sniffling all over the place. It's probably making me feel sick, so sorry about that. I also need to make a lunch for work tomorrow, because I've got my bagels, I've got my cheese, I've got all my like bits and pieces to go in the bagel, and I just need to actually do it. Today I ended up buying an itsu for lunch, and I didn't actually realise that soup that I really enjoyed the other day was actually £9. When it came to 11 in total, and I thought, oh, I got a drink as well and like a little snack. So I kind of, when you just like aren't realising. So yeah, I need to make my bagel tonight as well, which I am going to probably do in a minute, but I want to get these on first because I'm starving. So this is today's, you've seen this already when I actually bought it, but this is what I'm going to be making. It's a pesto chicken with cherry tomatoes. Oh, it says pan fry. I'm gonna just cook this in, I'm just gonna cook this in the oven. I'm sure it'll be totally fine. Maybe I should do it in the pan. Okay, I need to have a think. I need to get this on. I'll be right back. I decided I am gonna pan fry the chicken. I'm just gonna put these potatoes in here. Also, it says this is 6 servings, which is absolutely wild. Changed into my warm jumper. I was about to show you my bagel that I'm making for tomorrow. Matt has just got in the door and he has picked up, how is this for January New Year's resolutions of being healthy? He just picked up two of... I didn't set that reservation. Yeah, you didn't. 2 of the best ever M&S eclairs. I mean, I can't pass that up, can I? Anyway, let's make the bagels for tomorrow. I'm just frying the chicken and we add in the pesto sauce after the chicken's been fried, which looks like this. So I will show you that in a minute, but let's make our bagel. served. It looks absolutely delicious. Here you go.
Wow, beautiful stuff. Do we need
It's-
salt and pepper?
I think it's going to be quite well seasoned, you know. But you can have some if you'd like. Taste test of the night.
Just getting the sauce.
I'll just do a taste test
Oh,
because I
okay.
don't have any sauce. I didn't like the candles, but
That's
we
okay.
can have that for one night.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, this is the M&S pesto chicken thing with
Lovely
parmentier potatoes
Lovely
So-
bed of salad.
on a lovely bed of salad. Someone actually who subscribed to me said that they actually call these kind of potatoes Herbie Dice, which I thought was quite funny.
Alright, did you put that thing back on?
Oh my god, yum.
Good?
Really good. The pesto's so nice. It's like a proper fresh pesto.
It's hot, isn't it?
I don't know if chili sauce goes with it,
No,
but
it does, it always does.
okay. We're going to enjoy our dinner. Then we're going to go and watch some Blackbird, our latest hyperfixation, the best show ever. I was actually thinking about it on the walk home.
Really?
I voice noted Donna and Gemma telling them both about it.
It's really good.
It's one of my fave shows. Okay, I will chat to you guys tomorrow. Bye. No. I made bagel for my lunch. Did you want anything?
No, because I'm actually.
Oh, sorry. We just talked about that. Matt got me for my birthday last year. Oh no, it was part of my Christmas last year. This little sheepskin hot water bottle from Etsy. And I am so obsessed with it. It's like the perfect size. You know, if you have any period pains, if you want to get cozy on the sofa, and you can actually fill it up from the top so you don't have to take it fully out of the thing. And it's real sheepskin. It's super soft and cozy. It's actually a nice one for kids because the sheep fur is actually like really thick, so I think it would, you know, be a little bit safer against burns and stuff. I'm just gonna fill that up now. Here we go. Nothing says -1 like this. The joys of January in the UK. If I can find a link, then I will, well, I'll ask Matt for a link. Let's see if he's got it in his history of purchase bits. But it's so cute, so cozy, such a cute little stocking filler, but Christmas is over. Nice birthday present if you know someone who has a birthday in January or February. Okay, I'm going to head through to the living room now. I know I've already signed off and said that I'll chat to you tomorrow, but I couldn't help it. Oh, I just noticed the flies on my washing up liquid. Okay, bye. It is Friday night. I've got myself a little glass of red wine. I've got Missing You on in the background because whoever was the girl on TikTok, I think I've already said this to you guys, whoever was the girl on TikTok that actually said, please watch this show, it's the best show ever. It's absolutely crap, but I just have it on in the background because I didn't want to be like half paying attention to something that I actually am invested in. But don't watch Missing You because it's rubbish. Watch Blackbird on Apple TV if you're looking for something to watch. I mentioned it so much in this video, but we finished it the other night and we're obsessed. It was so good. I was just popping on to say happy Friday. I hope that you all enjoy the vlog that you've just watched. I obviously filmed this video at the start of Jan, like first week back, and so it's a couple of weeks old, so I don't know if it's aged very well, especially the bit at the start where I was saying if anyone's not been back at work yet. I'm sure everyone's been back at work, but I hope it's been not too bad of a January start for everyone. I've been up to loads since I last spoke to you guys, or since I last actually filmed, and I also have a vlog from my recent trip to Edinburgh coming, so you're going to see loads of that in the next couple of videos. I also tomorrow morning, which is Saturday, I'm going to be filming my what I got for Christmas. I've held off now. I've not even looked at any of my Christmas stuff because I've been keeping it separate so that I actually film a what I got for Christmas. So I'm filming that tomorrow and you're going to see that on Wednesday. I'm back to my regular programming. I'm going to be uploading twice a week from now on, with obviously an occasional break if I need it here and there, because I am still, you know, full-time working and in the office 4 days a week. It's a lot. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on and say I hope you enjoyed this video. We finished this evening by having some of those best ever M&S chocolate eclairs and they were to die for. I actually could only manage half because it was so indulgent. It was delicious. My other half went missing. I'm not sure where it went. But yeah, it was a really nice cozy evening and not a bad start to first week back in Jan. So cheers, happy Friday. I hope you're all having a lovely week and I will see you on Wednesday for a what I got for Christmas, and then the video after that is going to be our Edinburgh trip. So I hope you enjoy. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.